Pemakaian bahan bakar itu irit dan tenaga untuk pengambilan tanah itu bagus, swingnya bagus, dan untuk loading itu cepat.
The new EC200D is the perfect partner for general purpose applications, from road construction and building project to agriculture, landscaping, and utility work. The EC200D delivers optimum swing speed, excellent combine operation, powerful digging forces, and fast cycle times. The new EC200D also offers outstanding fuel economy, and customers can improve their total cost of ownership and maximize their business profitability.
Jadi kita senang dengan produk ini karena produk Volvo terbaru, serinya 200D.